When we talk about bone marrow transplant, the correct term is stem cell transplant. So stem cells can be collected from the umbilical cord when the baby is born, can be collected from the bone marrow, and the latest technique is it can be collected from the peripheral blood. So when we talk about umbilical cord collection, when the newborn baby is born, when the baby is detached from the mother, when the umbilical cord is cut, you can collect around 25 ml of stem cells from the placental side of the cord, and you can collect and can be used at a later stage for bone marrow transplant. The other way is donation by bone marrow harvest. So the donor goes to the operation theatre, given general anesthesia, is lying prone, and from the hip bone, from the posterior superior iliac spine, two doctors can collect the stem cells. But for that you have to be given general anesthesia, you have to go to the operation theatre. So there is an easier way called peripheral blood stem cell collection. In that, the donor gets 5 days of injection called GCSF, granulocyte colony stimulating factor. So these injections would mobilize the stem cells from the bone marrow to the peripheral blood, and you can easily donate the stem cells like the way you donate blood. So no general anesthesia and no going to the operation theatre, just a line, central line would be inserted, and through that in 3 to 4 hours the stem cells can easily be collected.